Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on or turn off client sounds in League of Legends. Okay, so I'm talking about all of these sounds. Basically the transitions and navigation sounds. So to get rid of that, we have to click on the settings gear icon in the right upper corner. Next we have to go for the sound and simply block or unblock this SFX sounds. Take a look right now. As you can see and also as you can hear, there is no any sound, navigation sound or transition sound when you switch between, for example, profile, clash, collection, or just try to open the lobby. And that's all. It's very simple. As you can see, you can locate it in the general settings of your client. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.